Yep. Nice sight to start a video with. Well, Carl doesn't want to help clean around here, so yeah, if it's normal for him, I guess it's going to be normal for everybody. Maybe if y'all leave some comments, maybe Carl will get off his butt. He's sleeping right now. And he'll do some cleaning and help keep the place clean and healthy. Okay. And the girl that does some of my shopping for me bought me this, and she said it was nitric acid. This is nitric acid. The only thing in common is they're both liquid, and they both say, don't breathe the fumes. So, this is the toilet. This is the toilet. Oh. Let me just flush it. But, this is the toilet. Well, go all the way down. There you go. This is the toilet. And as you can tell, that's some really, really hard water. Okay. Really hard. Okay. I'm holding that between my legs. That's why it's sitting there. Okay. Let's see. See if I did any good. No, it didn't do any good. Yeah. Okay. So she said, no, do this. It's really good. No, she lives right around the corner from me. She has the same water supply. It's pretty much direct from the river. She said, use this. So I told her it wouldn't work. This actually has a filter on it. What the heck? Actually has a filter. I don't know if that's showing up or not. Doesn't look like it is. Let me get this thing open. Okay. So I'm going to spray that. I don't think I want that. Okay. One's supposed to be a spuma, which is a foam, and the other one's supposed to be a spray. I think they're. Oh, I have to flip the little thingy down. Oh. Okay. Yeah. It still looks pretty foamy. Okay. So, just leaving that propped up there. And let's wait a few minutes. Okay, so let's see. I don't want anybody saying I didn't scrub it good enough. And that was about 5 minutes. It says to not leave it on contact any longer than 5 minutes. I think it's for the exterior of the toilet bowl, because it doesn't say anything about water. Okay. Yeah, sorry about that on the floor. Okay, here we go. No. Okay, so I need to flush that a couple more times, get all that chemical cleaned out, because you don't mix this with anything. Okay, this is really, really strong stuff. This is my standby. That's what I use all the time, because I don't like my bowl looking like that. This is calcium buildup and other minerals from in the river. It's really gross. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and flush this a couple times, and I'll be right back. One more time. One last time. Okay. And now it's clear enough. Okay, this stuff, I do not like breathing that. It's so gross. Okay, I don't like breathing this. Okay, so this is going to be kind of awkward. Oh, well. Okay. Okay. Oh, did you see the fumes coming off of that? It has fumes. Yeah. Can you see them? Yeah. That's not from me smoking. Okay. It's actually coming off the toilet. Okay, time for me to leave. I always wash my hands afterwards. Always. So I didn't use that much. And without even brushing, it's only been like 3 minutes. Wow. Big difference. It's clean again. So, yeah. I think this is a kitchen countertop cleaner. This is the real shit.